Welcome back. Assistant Geologist from Mines Department Gil Pires de Costa claims that Mines Department is not the only department responsible for the illegal mining in the state. It was Gil's last day of service in the Mines Directorate. He worked for almost 35 years as Assistant Geologist in Mines and Geology Department. He has blamed former Director Arvind Lolekar. He also raised questions over the appointment of present Director Prasanna Acharya, who he says is technically not fit for the post.
They listened to the ex-directors and they did something and they are facing the problems. Yeah, some other, even Lolekar in this fellow also, 80 D'Souza are the main fellow. Even I am telling that it is 80 D'Souza to be blamed in this. One of the senior geologists who are retired before actor. I tell you, I feel very bad. He has not done much. I am sitting in his own cabin today because there is no place. They put me here. There are worse people, and today he should not have been. But it is. Nobody knows how much he has done, and without inquiry he committed suicide. Especially Indian Bureau of Mines, which is a central government, we have got Goa Pollution Control Board, and this thing also, Forest Department. Forest is more responsible. Also, because land is belonging to them, no action. When the Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Parikar has asked them to furnish a list of the truck owners and whatever, they are not furnishing. Why? If they are really coming to problems, then let them give the list. I don't think Mines Department is to be blamed so much, and there is very less staff, technical staff. The director is non-technical. He should have been a technical qualified director. Then it becomes a mess like it. When it is converted from Directorate of Industries and Mines in 2004 to Directorates of Mines and Geology, it should have been like that, headed by a technical director, not by an administrative civil career director. And here also, all the technical staff are going in the court, where they have got time to visit the mines and see the illegality of the mines. Hardly they can go.
Congress Goa Desk in charge Sudhakar Reddy demanded a white paper on expenditure of central fund used by the state government. This was on the backdrop of Chief Minister's allegation for misusing central fund by previous Congress-led government. Reddy also mentioned that union government will help the state government if government approaches central government to solve issue of mining dependent people.
Agar state government comes forward, we will not see a political thing. ये पॉलिटिकल एस्पेक्ट में ये बीजेपी सरकार है या बीजेपी चीफ मिनिस्टर ने कुछ पूछा, ऐसा नहीं. Our MPs are ready. Local sitting MP लोकसभा, राज्यसभा MP, even our PCC, other senior leaders, definitely will use our good offices. गवर्नेंस के लिए कुछ फायदा होगा कोई भी चीज़ में, उनके लिए अगर सेंट्रल के माध्यम से कुछ हम भी अपील करेंगे, बट विद इन द आवर फ्रेमवर्क. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का फंड्स, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा सेट 400 crores, एक जगह बोला मिसयूज, एक जगह बोला यूज ही नहीं किया. तो सब्जेक्ट टू वेरिफिकेशन यू मस्ट बी क्लैरिफाइड इन विच फ्रंट. यू मस्ट पब्लिश द वाइट पेपर एग्जैक्टली व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड. वे एक स्टेटमेंट दे के ब्लेम करना, प्रीवियस गवर्नमेंट हैज डन दिस एज इफ आई एम डूइंग दिस मच. आज का अधिवेशन में मतलब दिगंबर कामत जी इंडिस्पोज्ड, विश्वजीत राणे जी also is थोड़ा fever, down with fever. Movin met me morning. His constituency में कुछ program है सर. हम as of now we are in the opposition. We will work as the constructive opposition party.
A reporter from Panji Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Prajot Pednekar. There is a need to bridge gap between small and large-scale industries in Goa. This was discussed at the state-level development program Buyers and Sellers Meet held at Verna on Tuesday.
Verna Industries Association and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Institute had organized a buyer and seller meet at Verna on Tuesday. Around 50 big and small entrepreneurs participated in the meet.
large scale industries are there. So these industries are procuring a lot of material from outside Goa. So this is one of the main things. So if these industries can procure the material from within Goa, from our state itself, it will be really benefiting for each and every Goan, especially for the new entrepreneur. They can really come up and they can give again a lot of employment to our state. Our economy can get boosted because we have already seen what is happening in the mining sector.
In order to develop local vendor base here, we have been calling the large scale industries and small scale industries to make this event happen.
Our reporter from Verna, Surendra Matkekar.
District and Session Court North Goa has granted permission to Kashinath Shetye to intervene in Koregaon illegal mining case. Congress leader Jitendra Deshprabhu is the main accused in this matter. Shetye has also challenged the interim anticipatory bail granted to Deshprabhu in the High Court. Trial court has granted interim anticipatory bail to Deshprabhu pending disposal of his anticipatory bail plea. District and Session Court North Goa on Tuesday permitted Kashinath Shetye to intervene in the Koregaon illegal bauxite mining case. Congress leader Jitendra Deshprabhu, former Crime Branch DYSP Chandrakant Sudhakar, former Director of Mines Arvind Loliakar and Senior Assistant Geologist Hector Fernandez are accused in this matter. The court has directed Shetye to present his case on Wednesday and the hearing on this matter is scheduled on 6th of November. District and Session Court on Monday granted interim anticipatory bail to Jitendra Deshprabhu and Arvind Loliakar, which was later challenged in the High Court of Bombay at Goa by Kashinath Shetye. Shetye in his petition filed in High Court alleged that the trial court granted interim anticipatory bail without even hearing the public prosecutor and without hearing the interveners. The High Court has issued notice to Deshprabhu and Loliakar and asked the respondents to file the reply by November 1st. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent Media. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.